In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort and filter duplicates in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing your personal finances or organizing data for a big project, knowing how to effectively sort and remove duplicate entries in Google Sheets can save you loads of time and prevent potential errors. So let's dive right in. First off, you will want to open a new or existing Google Sheet where you have your data stored. This will be your workspace. Now, imagine you've got a list of contacts, products, or any other entries in columns A and B, and you need to sort through this information to make your data more manageable. Once your sheet is ready, the next step is to highlight the range of cells that you're interested in working with, cells from A1 to B16 in this case. This will most likely cover the bulk of your data that you want to sort. With your cells highlighted, go ahead and click on the Data option in the menu at the top of the page. This menu is your gateway to various functions that Google Sheets offers for managing data, including sorting and filtering. Now click on Sort Sheet. This opens up an option where you can choose which column you'd like to sort by, and here you want to sort by column A in ascending order from A to Z. Sorting like this will group all identical entries together, making them easier to identify visually. After sorting your data, the next step is selecting Data from the menu again. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it ensures you're accessing the right tools for the task at hand. Once there, find Data Cleanup and click on it. This feature is particularly valuable because it allows you to automate the process of removing duplicate entries, simplifying your workflow. Select Remove Duplicates from the drop-down menu. This action initiates a process that identifies and highlights duplicates for removal. You're almost there. Now click on Select All. This ensures that every column in your highlighted range is considered when identifying duplicates. Following this, make sure column A is checked, as this is where our sorting is anchored. Finally, with everything set, hit the Remove Duplicates button. This will erase any repeated entries, leaving you with a tidy, organized sheet of original data only. To complete the process, click OK, which confirms the removal of duplicates and updates your sheet accordingly. And there you have it. A streamlined, clean dataset ready for whatever analysis or presentation you need. With these simple steps, you've mastered sorting and filtering duplicates in Google Sheets. Keep practicing, and soon, managing even the most extensive datasets will seem like second nature. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing!